Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at the 8-foot deluxe skid assembly. This one's equipped with a hot water pressure washer and a 12-volt soft wash system. So we'll start at the rear here and take a look. We've got the Hydrotech SS 3000 at 5 with the Vanguard engine on it. So this system actually fits in these skids perfectly. We do make a few modifications. Typically you start the engine all the way down at the engine, which is fine in an open trailer or an open skid application, but when this gets put inside of a truck, it's no longer accessible unless you've got super long arms. So we went ahead and moved the key switch to the back panel here, so it's easily accessible right along with the temperature control, the burner on and off, and the bleeder valve for the pump. We use these here to go ahead and prime those pumps. That way if you get any air in the line, it gets all the air out of the line there. So we've got the diesel tank and the gasoline tank. The engine runs off of gasoline, the burners run off of the diesel. You can operate this system without running the burner as well, for those of you who aren't familiar with how these hot water systems work. Also from the rear, you can see the surface cleaner rack that we have. These are pretty nice. They've got a nice hinged door here. You can put a lock on it. Right now it just has a pin holding it closed. We've got a 21-inch surface cleaner in there. It's a Mossmatic 21-inch surface cleaner. Sorry about that. These are all kind of custom made, so it fits the surface cleaner that you have perfectly. So it's not gonna, shift around a whole bunch inside of there and stay nice and secure. On the passenger side, we've got 3 hose reels. We've got our first one here for the pressure washer. This has 200 feet of the 3/8 hose. We've got our soft wash reel with 200 feet of 1/2-inch hose and our inlet reel with 100 feet of the garden hose. On all of those reels, you can see we've got the locking fittings down here at the bottom. Sometimes it's just a twist lock, sometimes it's a quick connect, just depends on the type of hose that's on there. We do have the high pressure ball valve, so you can switch easily between your wand assembly and your surface cleaner without having to go back and turn the machine off. And then the other 2 major conveniences we have are the Schertz boxes. We've got one Schertz box for the pressure washer system. You can tell it easily because it's got the 1/4-inch chemical lines going into it. And then with the soft wash Schertz box, you can see the yellow 1/2-inch lines going into that. So the way those Schertz boxes work is it's a remote control system. So you can apply your chemical and then you can hit that button and switch over to rinse without having to walk back to your rig. So it's nice just to be able to get through that cleaning quickly, especially if you're the only one on site, or if you've got 2 guys working both systems and neither one of you need to go back and forth and waste time walking back and forth to the rig. We will go around to the driver's side. So from the driver's side, we actually still have a little bit of room on the back that could be used for a toolbox if you needed. There's a little bit of extra space there. We've got our 7-gallon surfactant tank and our 55-gallon bleach tank for the soft wash system, and you can actually pull bleach through your pressure washer as well. And we've got our 200-gallon water tank. We've got our 12-volt soft wash system to the side here. So we've got the pump, the accumulator, the proportioner system, and the charger is already all built into this. Right now we've got our transfer dipstick assembly attached right now. Doesn't always have to be attached. It's a pretty nice system. The way it works is it quick connects to this port here. Whenever this is in the down position, then you flip this to the down position as well. Oh, I'm sorry, I did that backwards. When it's upright and when it's off to the side here, you can use your soft wash system as a transfer pump. So it'll transfer from this dipstick right into your bleach tank, which is the majority of the liquid that you're always moving. So when you switch this off, switch this back, then you can readjust your proportioner valves to however you want to apply your soft wash solution, and then go ahead and start soft washing immediately afterwards. Quick disconnect this right here, make sure it's all rinsed out, put a little bit of water in there, and then you can either put it inside your skid or just hang it up in your shop, wherever is convenient for you. So this system altogether, we use the narrow frame pressure washer, so we still had plenty of room. It's not super heavy. The system is maybe right around 1,000 to 1,200 pounds when it's empty, so it's easy to maneuver. We can fit this in any of our 8-foot like F250 or 2500 type of truck. and it worked out perfectly when we got this all built up. So if you guys have any questions on it, please give us a call. Thanks.